So which essential oils are good for weight management? Well, in this video, I will be sharing with you 5 of my top picks for weight management essential oils. Coming up. Howdy, howdy. My name is Melinda Reed here as the Oil Coach. We share tips here on using essential oils as well as health, life, and mindset tips to help you live healthier, happier lives. So if you're new here, consider subscribing and joining our Oil Coach family. And hey, at any time during the video, feel free to check out the show notes and the links in the description down below where I will share some additional helpful resources. And be sure to stick around until the end of this video because I have an awesome bonus for you too. Now let's jump right into today's topic. So which essential oils are going to help us to manage our weight? Well, there are many essential oils that are great for this, but in this video, I'm going to be sharing 5 of my favorites when it comes to managing our weight. So if you have other favorite weight management essential oils, then share them with us in the comments below this video. Okay, our first weight management essential oil is grapefruit. This essential oil has a very energizing, uplifting, invigorating aroma, so it is a great one to diffuse when you're dieting or trying to lose weight. Another way to use grapefruit essential oil for weight management is to add 1 or 2 drops to your glass of water throughout the day to support a healthy metabolism. Now, most of the essential oils out there are not recommended for internal use, so disregard this tip if yours is one of those. Okay, our next oil is peppermint. Not only does this essential oil help to boost our energy so that we can get more out of our workouts, but it also helps our bodies to reduce hunger cravings. And of course, after those workouts, when you're feeling those tense and tired muscles, well, peppermint comes to the rescue again. So how do we use peppermint for these things? Well, for a great energy boost, we can smell it in deeply from the bottle and rub some on the back of our necks, or we can diffuse it for a great pick-me-up. Now, for cravings, we can drop a drop or 2 in our mouth or drink a drop or 2 in our glass of water. Again, this only applies if your peppermint oil is recommended for internal use. And then, of course, for your tired and tense muscles, you can apply a drop or 2 of the oil directly to the area of discomfort. Our next essential oil for weight management is lemon. Now, this oil is great for naturally cleansing the body and helping with digestion. To get these benefits, you can take a drop or 2 in your glass of water throughout the day. Of course, only if your bottle recommends internal use. And of course, when you diffuse it, it's really great for uplifting the mood as well. And we can always use a mood uplifter when we're dealing with our weight, right? So next we have our cinnamon essential oil. Now this one is great for supporting healthy metabolic function, and it helps to support healthy blood sugar levels, which in turn helps with our cravings. So to get the benefits of this oil, you can drop a couple drops in a veggie capsule and take the oil that way. Or if you like, you can drink a drop or 2 in your glass of water. And one more time, this tip is only for those of us who are using a cinnamon essential oil that is recommended for taking internally. Okay, we have made it to our last but definitely not least oil. This is a blend of oils called Slim and Sassy. This blend has in it all of the oils that we've mentioned in this video: the grapefruit, the lemon, peppermint, and the cinnamon, and it also includes ginger essential oil. So this is a great metabolic blend. I use this one all the time. It helps me to manage my hunger cravings, and it calms the stomach, it lifts the mood, and of course it's perfect for any healthy weight management program. So you can take a drop or 2 internally in your water or in a capsule before meals to help control your appetite and your overeating. You can add it to your water or tea and drink it before working out for a revitalizing energy boost. And you can add a couple drops to your meal replacer or your protein shake. Alrighty, that's all of our weight management essential oils for today. And like I mentioned, I have an awesome bonus for you. So if you're curious what health products and essential oils would help you and your family the most, right now I'm actually offering a quick 2-minute quiz where you will receive a free personalized wellness plan for you and your family. This is super quick and easy, and the best part is right now it's free. So if you'd like to take the quick quiz, hop over to bit.ly/oilcoachquiz. That's bit.ly/oilcoachquiz. I'll post that link in the description box down below as well. Now this is a really quick and easy quiz, and it will help you know exactly what health products that you and your family need right now. So click on the description box down below and click on the link there, or hop over to bit.ly/oilcoachquiz. Alrighty, make it an awesome day. Feel free to share this video with someone that would receive value from it. And don't forget, check out the link for that quick quiz. Take care, and we will talk soon.